Newton's third law of motion is what we're going to be covering here today. Be sure that you are ready to take the notes on this. There's not too many. All right, Newton's third law of motion says that whenever one object exerts a force on the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. These guys down here who look like they could use some Tylenol are showing a demonstration of this. Please be sure to write all of this down before continuing. You can pause if you need to. Okay, now we're going to translate this into plain English, because we always like for things to be a little more obvious. For every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction. Or to simplify that even more, we would say that forces occur in pairs. Please take both of these notes onto your paper where it says. Okay, now we're looking here at the action and the reaction force. We've already covered this somewhat, touched on it when we did Newton's first law, so this may look familiar. We see this horse jumping up in the air. In order to jump up, he's got to push his feet against the ground. That's the action force. Please label this, draw the blue arrow on your paper and label it with an action force. You can just call it AF if you want. The ground is not going to let the horse sink in. It's going to resist the motion. So we call that the reaction force. The ground's not doing anything. It's just staying there, and that provides the reaction force.